Before you book your next flight on Budget Air, pause for a moment because most people assume all flight booking platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that Budget Air combines competitive pricing with extra fees that can catch users off guard if they are not careful. Budget Air is an online travel agency that lets you compare flights, hotels, and car rentals. You won't believe what happens next when travelers discover that some flights are cheaper upfront but have added fees for baggage or seat selection. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume the ticket price shown is final. Always check the total price before payment. Using Budget Air is straightforward. Enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, and the platform shows multiple options. You can filter by price, airline, and flight duration. Once you select a flight, you provide passenger info and payment details. The outside is convenience. Budget Air aggregates multiple airlines and shows deals you may not find on individual carrier websites. It's ideal for price-conscious travelers willing to compare and plan ahead. The downside is that support can be slow, especially for flight changes or cancellations. Some users report additional fees for credit card payments or booking modifications. Also, Budget Air acts as an intermediary, so airline policies apply, and any disputes must go through both parties. The surprising truth about Budget Air is that it can save money if you plan carefully, but rushing through booking without checking total costs may lead to unexpected charges. If this usage experience helped you navigate Budget Air smarter, subscribe for more travel booking tips and honest platform reviews.